Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your Snapchat avatar. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need just to open your Snapchat app. You click on Snapchat and basically after that you will need just to go to your profile and you will need just to click your profile picture at the corner on the top. You click on it and from here you will find your avatar here and you can see that there is some fashion that you can add, etc. And basically from here you can find your friends, etc. But what we want to do to create our avatar is just basically go here and from here on the background or the poses, you can start editing if it's not the first time you creating Snapchat, because if it is your first time using Snapchat, you will be able already, or they will require you already to create a new avatar and you can start the process of having an avatar. So basically now we can just start modifying on the avatar and you can let's cancel and click on save. And if you want like to change the selfie or to edit the avatar, you will need just to click on this hanger here at the left, and basically from here you can edit your avatar by giving it some new outfits, etc. But what I'm going to do is to click here on edit avatar, and basically I can start changing all the components or components of this avatar, like face shape, decoration, accessories, colors, etc. As you can see, this is the facial hair, the hairstyle, and from here I can choose the hair color, you're choosing the hairstyle, etc. And after you finish everything else, you will need just to click at the end save, and you will have your avatar that will be edited and you can create your own avatar. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.